Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A distinctive and ruggedly elegant modern home situated in a forested landscape, likely during a late afternoon or twilight hour. The house showcases a strong material contrast, combining heavy, traditional gray stone masonry on two of its walls with an expansive, contemporary facade made almost entirely of black-framed, floor-to-ceiling glass windows. The architecture is notable for its sloping shed roof, which has a warm, natural wood soffit underside, providing a welcome contrast to the dark framing and the cool gray stone. The large windows reveal a warmly lit interior with a modern, open-plan living space. The house is built on a plot featuring natural elements, including large boulders and a small patch of grass, blending the sophisticated structure with its natural, woodland surroundings. A single-story modern home set in a bright, sunny, park-like environment. The architecture is defined by a striking contrast between the heavy, rustic dry-stacked stone walls that form the majority of the structure and the expansive, contemporary glass walls that open up the main living area. The house has a flat roof with a deep overhang, the underside of which is finished in a warm, natural wood, extending over a large wooden deck. The glass walls reveal a chic, open-plan interior with a kitchen and dining area, which flows seamlessly onto the deck where an outdoor dining set and a comfortable lounging sofa are placed. The surrounding landscape is naturalistic, featuring a grassy lawn, lush trees, and a scattering of large, smooth boulders near a small water feature, creating an atmosphere of tranquil, luxurious outdoor living. A modern houseboat or floating home anchored on calm, dark water, surrounded by a dense forest under the dim light of twilight or evening. The structure combines contrasting materials. One section features sturdy, dark stacked stone masonry, while the central area is an open pavilion defined by expansive, retractable glass walls. The home sits atop a wide wooden deck platform that serves as an outdoor terrace, furnished with comfortable, low-profile seating. The interior, visible through the glass, is warmly lit, casting a cozy glow on the surrounding water. The calm surface of the water perfectly reflects the light from the house and a single lamppost on the adjacent shore, creating beautiful streaks of gold. The entire scene conveys a feeling of exclusive tranquility and contemporary luxury in a secluded waterfront setting. A modern cabin or retreat built directly into a steep, rocky hillside overlooking a sprawling, forested valley. The architecture is a study in materials, featuring a sleek, flat roof with warm wooden siding and extensive black-framed glass walls that maximize the panoramic view. The structure is anchored by rustic elements, including a prominent stacked stone chimney and wall section and a stone-faced retaining wall. The most dramatic feature is the infinity-edge swimming pool that cantilevers precariously over the cliff edge, blending the water with the distant horizon. The surrounding area is paved with large, irregular stone slabs, featuring an outdoor bar area with stools and a relaxation zone with lounge seating. The home is backed by a dense canopy of trees, creating a secluded, luxurious, and breathtaking setting. A minimalist retreat dramatically perched on a rugged cliff face overlooking the ocean, likely captured during the twilight hours. The architecture is a powerful statement, using a combination of materials, One side is clad in robust rough-cut stone masonry, while the seaward side is dominated by floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows that slide open entirely. The structure features a cantilevered wooden deck that projects daringly over the drop, offering uninterrupted, panoramic views of the water and distant horizon. The deck has a sleek, minimalist railing and is furnished with a simple outdoor sofa. The interior, visible through the glass, is warmly lit and appears to house a compact, modern kitchen area. The home is backed by pine trees and rugged terrain, creating an atmosphere of extreme seclusion, luxury, and breathtaking proximity to the wild ocean environment. A modern tiny home or cabin situated in a bright, arid, desert landscape under a clear blue sky. The architecture features a striking combination of rustic and contemporary materials. A significant portion of the exterior is clad in irregular, multi-toned stone masonry, which is contrasted sharply with smooth, warm natural wood siding used around the main entrance. The structure has a flat, dark roof and includes large, black-framed windows and sliding glass doors that open onto a small wooden deck. The deck is slightly elevated on a dark metal frame, with simple wooden steps leading down to the ground. The outdoor space is furnished with minimalist seating, offering a view of the surrounding hills, which are covered in low vegetation, scrub brush, and a tall cactus. In the foreground, there is a small fire pit or planter made of stacked stones, completing the look of a stylish, rugged, and minimalist desert retreat. A contemporary tiny house on wheels, a mobile home, parked in a grassy, wooded area, likely during the evening. The structure features a distinctive sloping shed roof and a sophisticated blend of materials. The exterior is largely covered in attractive, gray stacked stone veneer, giving it a rustic yet modern appearance, contrasted by dark gray metal siding and black trim. A large section of the façade is made up of sliding glass doors and windows, which reveal a brightly lit, modern interior, likely a kitchen and living area. A low, wooden deck extends from the side of the home, serving as a cozy outdoor living space. The deck is furnished with minimalist chairs and a low table, where a small fire pit is active, casting a warm glow. The overall impression is one of a stylish, compact, and comfortable retreat, blending the convenience of a tiny home with the aesthetic appeal of a custom cabin. A contemporary tiny home situated in a rugged, sunny desert environment, strongly reminiscent of Joshua Tree National Park, with large rock formations and distinctive Joshua trees visible in the background. The structure features a sloping flat roof and a mix of exterior materials. The facade is composed of a wide section of floor-to-ceiling glass and sliding doors that open onto a wooden deck, contrasted with a wall clad in attractive, gray stacked stone masonry. The home sits elevated on a dark metal frame, with a spacious wooden deck serving as an outdoor living and dining area, complete with a table and bench. A set of minimalist concrete steps leads from the sandy ground up to the deck, where the interior living space is visible through the glass. The surrounding landscape is dotted with native desert plants, including cacti and yuccas, creating a perfect blend of minimalist design and rugged, natural beauty. A modern cabin or small home set in a lush, wooded landscape. The architecture is a stylish blend of rustic and modern, featuring walls clad in dark, rugged stone masonry contrasted with a large expanse of floor-to-ceiling glass windows and doors. The home has a flat, dark roof with a wooden soffit, and sits slightly elevated on a low deck. The deck features outdoor seating and provides access to the warmly lit interior. The surrounding landscape is characterized by grassy ground interspersed with numerous natural stepping stones and, most strikingly, a large boulder with an illuminated fire pit carved into its side, creating a unique and tranquil outdoor focal point. The scene conveys a sense of cozy, private retreat in nature. A tropical modern bungalow. It shares the flat roof and extensive glass of the first, but is distinct due to the use of a warm wooden deck and soffit, the underside of the roof, and its setting amidst vibrant, highly colorful tropical foliage. The landscaping is an active element of the design, featuring bright orange and yellow flowers that make the setting feel lush and exotic. A minimalist bungalow perfectly adapted to a rugged, volcanic or rocky coastal environment. The structure is defined by its materials. The walls are constructed from rough, dark lava rock masonry, providing incredible texture and camouflage against the dark, black terrain. A large, rectangular section of the front facade is cut out and recessed, forming a sheltered porch or veranda. This recessed area is finished in warm, light-toned wood paneling on the ceiling and sides, contrasting sharply with the dark stone. The opening is enclosed by sliding glass doors, revealing a simple, modern interior, likely a bedroom, and reflecting the cloudy sky and distant ocean. The foreground consists of dark, fractured rock and small, resilient desert-like plants, highlighting the extreme yet tranquil isolation of the location. Rustic modern interior of a spacious living area, characterized by a dramatic use of natural textures and an abundance of light. The room features a vaulted ceiling clad in warm, reclaimed wood planks, supported by visible dark metal beams. The focal point is a massive, floor-to-ceiling fireplace constructed from light, rough-cut stone, which houses a cozy, glass-fronted fire. The furniture includes a large, plush white sectional sofa piled with throw pillows, centered on a patterned area rug and a low wooden coffee table. Expansive, black-framed glass walls surround the space, offering panoramic views of the surrounding autumnal woodland and connecting the room to a generous outdoor deck. The back wall features a partial kitchen or bar area with open shelving and an attractive storage space for firewood, completing the look of a luxurious and comfortable woodland sanctuary.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.